Okay, we're gonna show you how to mix the popcorn in the popcorn maker. The first thing you do is you get vegetable oil or flavoring oil. So I'm gonna use the flavoring oil. Then you fill it up. Let me get something to fill it up. You fill it up to 1 tablespoon of oil. Once you put the oil in, you get your kernels and you fill it up to this first line right there. And pick it up to this line.
Yes, the lower one.
And then you fill it up to right there. Okay. Now once it's about like that, you just want to like mix it around by using the bottom, that little part. Okay, then the last step you need to do is get some salt and then
Just too much.
and then this. Now you're going to do the same thing that you did. And then you put it in for the microwave or you get the lid for it. And then you put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. So for what you want to do for the 4 minutes, you don't want to wait till the 4 minutes is done because your popcorn could be burnt. So you probably so the thing you want to do is probably put wait until it stops popping, and then that's when it should be done. So when I hear it popping, I'm just gonna wait until there is no popping, and I hear popping right now. So you want to count to 3 until you hear no pops. So what you want to do is take it out by the edges so you don't burn yourself. Well, it's still pretty hot, so I'm just going to use a few minutes to take it out. And basically, that's what it looks like when it's done. And you want to let it cool for like about a minute. And then take off this thing so it can air out. And then you can put this into the drying or the wash. And then you make your good popcorn. It tastes great.